Melio Payments Honest Review. Watch before using. Melio is a streamlined payment solution designed specifically for small businesses, offering a way to pay vendors and contractors online using either credit cards or bank transfers, even if your recipient prefers paper checks. One of its standout features is the ability to delay payments and still use a credit card for cash flow flexibility, without requiring your vendor to sign up for the service. Melio is also optimized for users who want to avoid monthly fees, as it offers a free basic plan, charging only for specific transactions, like credit card payments or international wire transfers. For small business owners, freelancers, and accountants looking for an easy way to manage accounts payable without the hassle of traditional bank platforms, Melio was built with simplicity and integration in mind. It syncs seamlessly with QuickBooks, saving you hours of manual entry, and offers easy invoice tracking to ensure nothing slips through the cracks. While Melio is great for small to medium-sized businesses, it's important to note that it isn't ideal for large businesses with complex financial needs, as its feature set is quite basic compared to other more robust solutions. The user interface, however, is extremely user-friendly, allowing even non-technical users to set up payments quickly. The ability to pay international vendors in local currencies is another huge plus, although exchange rates can sometimes be less competitive compared to traditional banks. One downside worth mentioning is that payments made via credit card do incur a 2.9% transaction fee, which can add up quickly if used frequently. However, the ability to float expenses on a credit card can offset this for businesses looking to maintain cash flow. Melio also supports batch payments, making it a solid option if you're handling multiple invoices at once. In conclusion, Melio is a solid choice for small businesses seeking an affordable, easy-to-use platform for paying vendors and managing invoices. It's not perfect for everyone, but if your business needs a flexible, no-frills solution, it's worth considering.